Hi everyone, welcome to Unacademy NEET English. I'm your biology educator Ambika Sharma, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the final updated syllabus for NEET 2025. I am going to answer all your doubts. Students, they get confused that how many topics are added, what is deleted, how many total number of chapters are there, which NCERT do they need to follow, do they need to do something extra, or so whatever confusions you have today, I'm going to solve all that confusions even related to physics, chemistry and biology in this particular video. I have seen one video in language Hindi, and in that video the teacher has clubbed everything from physics, chemistry and biology, the deleted, the newly added topics one, the topics which you need to follow from old NCERT, the topics which you need to follow from new NCERT. So even I decided that I should also make such kind of videos so that students, those who don't understand Hindi, they can get the benefit from that particular video. So here in this particular video I will answer all your questions, so you make sure you watch it till the end, right? So these are the things which we are going to discuss here: total number of chapters, deleted, added, new NCERT, old NCERT and out of NCERT topics. The first thing I'll start, obviously I'm going to start from the biology. So when we talk about the biology, earlier, right, before your 2024, 38 chapters used to be there, right, when we talk about the syllabus of class 11th and 12th, but now 32 chapters are there. So total 6 chapters are deleted from class 11th and 12th. So from class 11th, transport in plants, mineral nutrition, digestion and absorption, these 3 chapters are deleted. So guys, if you still have old NCERT, because some students, they take the books from their seniors, from their brothers or sisters, and they start following that books. So if you have that book, so please watch. So if in your book these chapters are given, there is no need to prepare it for the NEET. Then from class 12th, reproduction in organisms, strategies for enhancement in food production and even environmental issues, these 3 chapters are deleted. Okay, now when you talk about this particular chapter, strategies for enhancement in food production, as I said, it is deleted from your syllabus. But students, if you will see new NCERT book, so some topics from this chapter, they are included in the biotechnology chapter. Okay, they are included there in the biotechnology, and yes, it is important to read that topics. So here we have the list of that topics: plant tissue culture, micropropagation, somatic hybridization and meristem culture. So these topics, they used to be in this particular chapter, but now in new NCERT they are moved to biotech. So yes, they are the must-do topics. You are not allowed to miss it. It is very important. Okay, now the next thing is topics that need to be covered from the old NCERT only. You're not going to get it in new NCERT, or you have to specifically read the old NCERT for that. Like living word, what is living? Read it from old NCERT. Animal tissue, right? If you will see the official syllabus of NEET 2024, because actually the syllabus is not changed, but yeah, syllabus for NEET 2025 is not changed. It is same like NEET 2024, but not like NEET 2023. So if you will download the information bulletin of NEET 2024, the syllabus is given there, the updated one. So in that syllabus, animal tissue topic is there, but this topic is not in the new NCERT. So go for the old NCERT. For studying cockroach, go for the old NCERT. So when we talk about the chapter anatomy, you have to start it from the meristematic tissue, which is not in new NCERT. New NCERT, it is directly from the tissue system. So that initial part you have to study from that particular old NCERT. From organism in population, you have to study the adaptations, right? One of the most important topics. And for morphology, modification of root, stem and leaves, all that topics you have to study from the old NCERT. So make sure you take the screenshot of it. Next, topics which are out of NCERT. It's not like that always the question is going to come from not from the NCERT. Here the point is, if you want to understand these chapters, actually then you have to go a little beyond NCERT. So obviously if you will watch my lectures, you will get the clarity of that. So physiology, whether it is plant physiology or human physiology, my dear students, if you really want to understand these topics, yes, you have to go a little beyond NCERT. I'll give you one example, like in the chapter breathing and exchange of gases. Okay, in that particular chapter, there is one topic that is your Haldane's effect, right? You will see the question on the basis of that. The chloride shift, you will see the question on the basis of that, but you will not find it in your books, Right, so that is how, that is why I'm saying that for sometimes you have to go beyond the NCERT for understanding genetics and evolution also. Right, last time one topic, protein biosynthesis, was added in molecular basis of molecular basis of inheritance. Again, it is not a new or old NCERT. So yes, there your teachers are going to help. You have to go a little beyond NCERT. Then dengue and chikungunya, newly added topic, not in old NCERT or in new NCERT. So out of NCERT you have to study enzymes, very important. It is from biomolecule. So biomolecule, why am I saying you have to study it from beyond NCERT? You have to study it because if you really want to understand the carbohydrates, you know that it is also given in chemistry. So if you want to understand the carbohydrate, the monosaccharides one, the oligosaccharides one, they are not given here, right, in your book. But if you need to understand the topic, then you have to study it. So again, out of NCERT it is. Now the next thing is, see, this is the complete list. As I said, I got motivated from that video, and in that way I'm making it. So you guys can see here, old NCERT total 22 chapters were there. In new NCERT 19 chapters were there, are there. So it is from class 11th. So living word, yes, you can follow any of the book, right? You have to follow both. For biological classification, go for the new NCERT. So here you can see the tick mark. I will share it, this PDF, even in our official Telegram group. In the description box, there is a link. Click on that link. You can join our official Telegram group as well. So for plant kingdom, animal kingdom, morphology of flowering plants, yes, you have to follow both. For anatomy, right, you have to follow both. For structural organization, you have to follow both the books. So in that way, right, you will get an idea that which NCERT you need to follow, right? So it is from class 11th, as I said, right? So from class 12th, right, sexual reproduction in flowering plants, new NCERT. So for all the chapters here, you can rely on new NCERT. But as I said, in biotech portion, strategies for enhancement, some topics from strategies of enhancement in food production, they are moved here. So obviously, if you will read new NCERT, that will be covered, right? That will be covered. Okay, so basically one thing that you can note down right now is that for class 11, for living word, for anatomy, for morphology, for structural organization and animal chapters, you need both the NCERT. That's it. Now let's talk about the physics. In the physics, if I'll say that if they have added something or deleted, so basically topic wise deletion was there. Few topics they were added also, but topic wise, chapters were not deleted, but topic wise deletion is there in the physics. So here you guys can see, this is again, the screenshots are from the official information bulletin. I will again share this PDF in the Telegram group, right? So these are the topics that you need to cover. Okay, right, these are the topics that you need to cover. So when I talk about the unit gravitation, motion of satellite, time period and energy of satellite, newly added topic, properties of solids and liquid, pressure due to fluid column, Pascal's laws and its application, effect of gravity on fluid pressure, newly added topic, right? And then from this kinetic theory of gases, RMS speed of gas molecule, Avogadro number, newly added topic. So this is the list of newly added topics. And from these chapters, yes, few topics they are also deleted. So here in magnetic effects of current and magnetism, effect of temperature and magnetic properties, it is a newly added topic. Here in dual nature of matter and radiation, this topic is added. Okay, so total 20 units are there. 20th is for the experimental skills. So these are the subtopics here. Okay, these are the subtopics here. So it is the combined syllabus of your class 11 and your class 12th, right? We'll share the PDF in the Telegram group. Now when you talk about the chemistry, yes, major changes were there, right? So deleted chapter from class 11, states of matter, environmental chemistry, S block element, hydrogen. For class 12, solid state, general principle and processes of isolation of element, surface chemistry, chemistry in everyday life and polymers. These are the deleted chapters. So guys, here I want to specify one thing. Like let's say, no doubt these chapters are deleted, but sometimes one chapter is related to another chapter. So some teachers, they also teach from some deleted topics so that right, they can make your current topics easy. But these are the completely deleted chapters. If there is something which is linked to another current chapter, then your teacher is going to teach you. Otherwise, dedicatedly, there is no need to read that particular chapters for your NEET 2025. So again, here you have the screenshots, right? And they include it, they are basically from the official syllabus bulletin, right, students? So here also total 20 units are there, right? So I'll share the PDF in the Telegram group so that you will get the benefit of it. So this is what you have to do. This is what you have to follow. So I believe now there is no confusion related to the syllabus. Now there is something very amazing for you, and that is your Unacademy Learning Festival. And let me tell you, it is starting today at it is going to start from today itself, from 1st of September. And what are you going to get here? 7-day free unlimited access to NEET UG Plus subscription. So guys, in the description box there is a link. Click on that link, and for 7 days you can see everything on Unacademy platform in NEET UG category. You want to see my recorded lectures, my live classes, you will get the access of that. You want to download the DPPs, you want to download the PDFs present on the platform, you can do it. And unlimited access is there. It's not like that you can download 5 PDFs or 10 PDFs. Unlimited access is there. You can watch the recorded PYQ solutions. 10 years recorded PYQ solutions are there on app. You'll have the access of that too, right? There are many question banks are also present on Unacademy platform. You guys can see that too, right? You people can see that too. So for 7 days, right? For 7 days, you will get the free trial of that. You are going to get the free trial of that. Okay, so all live, online, live and recorded batches, practice questions, study material, right? You can download everything. And let me tell you about our batch, that is your NEET 2025 batch by Team Avengers. It is the Phoenix Pro Reloaded batch, so class is going to start from 2nd of September, and this amazing team is going to teach you. And trust me, the way our students are now, they are solving PYQs now, the way they are understanding NCERT is different. We are getting such kind of comments from our students only. Okay, so be the part of this batch, and if you will, right, join the 7-day unlimited trial offer. The link is there in the description box, students. So you will have the access of this batch as well, right? So overall this batch is just for ₹5,999. Okay, 5,999, and here you are going to get our classes, the question practice, right, the DPPs plus the proper test will be there. So without wasting any time, without thinking about anything else, just be the part of this free trial. Just be the part of this free trial, right? See, you have to pay nothing. You just need to register for that. So I think you should not miss this golden chance, isn't it? So see you all in my batch. Till then, take care. I hope this video is useful for you. If it is so, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much, everyone.